This is for pre-algebra 13.8. So we are talking about decimals for the rest of the unit. And a decimal is another way to show a part of a whole, just like a fraction can show a part of a whole. So if one whole is this big, we can show 1/10 of that by this much, that part of the whole, and 1/100th by showing this part of the whole. So a decimal is written using what we call the base 10 system. The decimal separates the whole number part from the part that is less than 1. So the whole number part is here, and the part that is less than 1 is after the decimal. The decimal itself is the dot, the period. That is the decimal. And it separates the whole numbers from the less than whole numbers. So if we look at this number, it's 1.83000. So we can write this number in standard form as just 1.83. And then we can write it in expanded form, similar to writing whole numbers in expanded form in Unit 1. This is going to be each digit is separate. So the first one, we add 0.8, which we write as 0.8, and then 0.03. So each digit gets its own piece. And in word form, we are going to use these words: tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 100,000ths. So in word form, this is 1, and the decimal gives an and. Here we don't say 8/10ths and 3/100ths. No. Instead, we say this whole number, 83, and the amount or the place above the last number, 83/100ths. So let's look at a couple examples. 16 and 5/10ths. So 16 is just 16. The word and is our decimal point. And then we have to decide 5/10ths. So here's the tenths place right there. So we're going to put the 5 immediately after the decimal. 5/10ths. In number 7, it starts 147. 147. And is our decimal point. Now we have 6/1000ths. So where is the thousandths place? It's all the way out here. There's our thousandths place. So the 6 goes in this spot. In the hundredths and tenths place, we put zeros. That is 6 thousandths. All right. And next we're going to write a couple numbers in words. Let's say this one, 17 is that number, 17. The decimal is and. Then we're going to write 28. And now we need to know, is this going to be tenths, thousandths, hundredths? It will be one of these words. And we use the word for the last decimal. We have 2 decimals here. 2 decimals is hundredths. Hundredths. Oops. Okay. That's 13.8. I would like you to do the rest of these. And when you are finished, check your answers in this orange binder. So you do these and check your answers.